Hello everyone, myself Arpan Pal. I pursued BTech from Ideal Institute of Engineering in the course of Electronics and Communication Department. Then I got selected in PCS Global Pvt Limited on our on-campus drive in the job role of software developer. So I'm doing training from PCS Global. I learned many things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Core Java. The trainers are very highly trained and the classes are very good. They are very helpful and they taught us very clearly. And now I am doing now I am learning Angular and Spring Boot from their YouTube channel videos, which are very helpful. Which is global YouTube channel videos, because I am very weak in Angular and Spring Boot, so I need to focus more on that. So I'm learning that Angular and Spring Boot, and the YouTube channel videos trainers are very highly trained, and the videos are very good and very helpful for us and for everyone. So I am learning from there, and also React.js, because this is very highly important, so I need to focus on that also. So I'm learning that. Thank you.